Today we're taking a look at Eachlabs, a visual backend builder that helps you design and integrate AI-powered capabilities into your own applications. Building out an AI application isn't as easy as GPT. Lucky for you, Eachlabs makes it easy to deploy products powered by premium AI models. Everything is drag and drop. Just name your workflow, arrange every step, and boom, you're in business. You can create any kind of workflow in minutes, like automatically translating and dubbing all your videos. After uploading your video, Eachlabs will extract the audio, transcribe it, translate it, clone the original voice, and then lip-sync the whole thing. While you get to sit back and relax, my dude, take advantage of the limited time Tier 3 plan for access to 25 AI-powered workflows, unlimited custom domains, and 100 AI requests every second. Want to shop around before committing to an AI model? Eachlabs lets you run a side-by-side comparison for different outputs. Using only one prompt, you can watch 10 AI models duke it out in your digital coliseum. Compare response times, costs, and output quality all in one place. And for you developers out there, integrating new workflows is a breeze because Eachlabs automatically generates all the code you need. Just copy, paste, and you're good to go. Plus, you can track everything in your workflow history. Every step, every model, every result, all documented and ready for review. Ditch all the complex infrastructure and build your next AI product the easy way. Click buy now to lock in your lifetime access to Eachlabs today.